Okay guys, so we wanted to show you the importance of the back heel turnout when you do checks. So when we dance checks in cha-cha, let's go here. When we dance checks in cha-cha, that back heel should really curve here in, curving heel in. So let's do this exercise. Put your leg side and make sure that heel turning in is not staying this way. So the back heel turn in. So do this exercise like this. Turn your heel. There's no. Okay guys, we want to show you importance of back heel when you do checks in cha-cha. So what we mean by that? So when you do a check, you see, pay attention to them to my back heel. It's turning in, it's not staying here. So one more time. So this is exercise for you. Put your leg to the side, and as you're going to check, make sure that back foot is turning. So what exercise you can get? You can turn your heel 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now get side, point your foot to the side, almost like you're jumping. Boom. Make sure that back foot turn out, because most of the time is here, which is not the most beautiful. So here will be the best way. So let's do a few times. Check forward walk in cha-cha. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So back heel is turning. The same on the other leg. So point your foot, use your body actions, of course, read them, but right now only focus on that back heel being turned in, not here, in, like heel reaching towards the floor, and point the foot, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. So later when we dance it together, Cuban breaks, hopefully by having already our body actions, our spine connections together, the footwork should be already there. Boom. So even here we doing that beautiful arm style, that beautiful actions, the feet also have that correct position. They're not left behind there. So one more time. Here, work your body, feel connection through the body. Boom, there. And again, but I don't want you guys to look only at our design of our action or arm style. I want you to take a look at our feet as well. Boom. So that back foot is really turn out. Let's move here because we cannot see the feet. So one more time. So work your body, pay attention to our footwork as we're opening here. Now, if girls, for example, decide to go very high on tippy-toe position, it's the same feeling for the back foot. So let's say I will not go, Kristina will go on the high toe and take a look at her back foot. Is it turn out or not? Hopefully it is. Yeah. And go, and go. Boom, and boom. Back foot, back foot, back foot. And now together we can go warm, high. That's it.